Welcome back to Area Diesel Service. Today we want to take a little time. We're going to cover some popular questions and comments we get on YouTube, and then we're going to do a 5,000 subscriber giveaway. If you've been watching and following along, we appreciate your time. Alright, 5 common questions in no particular order. So, first one, how much is it going to cost to rebuild my pump or turbo or injector? And that is really tough to say without first having inspected your component. We've done a fair number of repairs. We've got pretty good ballpark estimations, but to be totally accurate, first we need to disassemble, inspect, and estimate your particular scenario. We can get you close, but to be exact, we've got to have it here. We've got to do an inspection. Number 2 common question, can you test my pump? Yes, we can, but it's a little bit of an odd situation. The question maybe should be, will we test your pump? A lot of folks are kind of taken back when we turn that around and lay out the details, but there are reasons for it. The test equipment that we operate has very special type of calibration fluid. It replicates diesel fuel, but it is scientifically consistent, right? We can't just go to the pump and use fuel to test these components because fuel fluctuates. Calibration fluid does not. If you think diesel fuel is expensive right now, price a barrel of calibration fluid. That's important because if your pump is contaminated, we don't want to run the risk of putting it on the test stand and further contaminating 20 gallons of this high-dollar calibration fluid. If you drag a tractor out of the hedgerow, pull the pump off, we're probably not going to be willing to put it on the test stand. If you have a totally cleaned and sanitary fuel system, the pump is clean, we can tell it from an inspection, then potentially we can test your pump. But again, whether or not we do is subject to kind of an inspection. We don't want the next guy's pump to be ran on a test bench that's full of someone else's contaminants. That's why a lot of folks don't understand, and maybe we don't always explain it thoroughly. We can test them, but we need to make sure that we're not sacrificing quality for someone else when we do test them. There you have it. Number 3 common comment or question, do we buy cores? Yes. Answer, yes, absolutely. Cores are our lifeblood. So we are a remanufacturer, so we don't do everything on a repair and return basis. We remanufacture components for inventory and then distribute them out into the world. A lot of times the cores that come back from those sales are not salvageable. We have to supplement our inventory of cores with cores that we've purchased from other opportunities. Most of them are one at a time from the end user out in the marketplace. They scrap a machine, they convert a pump system, they take one turbo off, whatever it is, there's hardware collecting dust. If you've got some, reach out to us. We need to know specifically the part number, but yes, absolutely, we purchase cores. Number 4, are we hiring? Yes, absolutely, constantly it seems. So we are fortunate to be experiencing growth and success at Area Diesel Service, and that is only attributed to our staff. Without our people, nothing happens. So things are growing and becoming more and more successful. We need more and more quality people to do this. If you are in the market, please let us know. You can log on to our website. You can apply through there. You can look at the opportunities that we currently have for Area Diesel Service. Yes, we're hiring. Hit us up. All right, number 5. How do our parts compare to OEM parts? Great question, and I love to get it. We are factory authorized by the manufacturer of the OEM component to repair and remanufacture on their behalf. So we run under manufacturers' factory authorizations. That is on the repair side of things. On the distribution side of our operation, the components that we are selling in many instances are in fact the same as the OEM component. So equipment and vehicle manufacturers rely upon companies like Bosch and Borg-Warner to supply their subcomponents. We are direct with these manufacturers and distribute their products, the same products that go first fit to the vehicle or equipment manufacturers. So we are in fact OEM. So I'm not saying that everything is OEM, but products distributed by Area Diesel Service from manufacturers such as Holset, Borg-Warner, Garrett, Bosch, Denso, Stanadyne, Cummins, and more are exact OEM products. Alright, 5,000 subscriber giveaway. First and foremost, thanks for watching. We appreciate it. Entering our giveaway is going to be real simple. Make sure you're subscribed, give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment below with some feedback or maybe a video you'd like us to make in the future. That's all there is to it. We'll wait maybe a month or two. We'll do a random selection, pick out a winner, reach out to you, and send you your swag bag. What's in the bag? Alright, Area Diesel hat, Area Diesel Borg-Warner insulated mug, mechanics gloves, Area Diesel beanie, Area Diesel Service hoodie in Turbo We Trust, pens, notepads, company catalog, and you're going to like this one, flexible mechanics light. So these are awesome. Like it. There you go. Drop us a comment, sign up, we'll pick a winner and get this stuff sent out. Last order of business here. Recently I was asked to try and make an educated guess at how many turbochargers Area Diesel has sold or serviced since inception. Keep in mind, this is not done with scientific accuracy. The records from 73 and 74 are a little sketchy maybe, but we've got data going back that far. We took a sampling throughout the course of history. We know today, scientifically, the annual sales, daily sales, we've got good quality data today. That was the task. I wasn't told originally the reason for doing it, but I did complete that. So we have, as best as we can and pretty conservatively, made an estimation at total turbocharger sales since inception. Inception being 1973. In 2023, Area Diesel Service will be celebrating our 50th year in operation, a milestone that we are proud to be a part of. Ironically, the projection, the historical count of turbocharger sales puts us on pace to sell our 500,000th turbo early in calendar year 2023. After sharing this information, I was told the reason being is because our 500,000th turbo is going to go out the door free of charge. Hard for you to sign up for that. Certainly don't expect everybody to barrage us with turbo purchases trying to hit the lottery here, but let it be known, mark it on the permanent record, the 500,000th turbo, as best we can tell, will go out the door free of charge. Stay tuned for that. When it happens, we'll document it and we'll bring you back and share it. So that's a wrap. 5 common questions we get at Area Diesel Service. Almost 50 years in operation. We're celebrating 5,000 subscribers on our YouTube channel, something we're very thankful to have accomplished. And in the near future, we will sell our 500,000th turbocharger. And I said that wrong. We're not going to sell it. We're going to give it away. So stay tuned. If you need something in the meantime, please reach out to us. You can find us at areadieselservice.com. You can call us at 800-637-2658. You can email us at parts@areadiesel.com, or you can stop by any of our locations in Illinois, Iowa, and Indiana. So thanks for watching.